Hello, this is Jacob, me, or Dad Boss, whatever you want to call me. Tell all your friends about this video. So, we are doing a bin for your wrestlers or a trash can if you're in America. Here's one right here. That's one of the ways to do it. I'm showing you another way to do it. First step, you need a tin foil. By the way, ask your parents for the tin foil and for the scissors. Put them to one side, and you need one of these toilet roll, a thing, whatever it's called. You need one of these, but don't just take all the toilet paper. Lay it like this, roll it. Put one side in, the bottom side, or whichever side you think it is. It's up to you, your decision, not mine. Yeah. And then for the other half, you can put it in, or like you can do whatever. So like, yeah. So that doesn't look too good, but okay. So I'll push that in on one side. Now, do you see how there's like, wait, I need to cut some of this, because it doesn't look too good. Oh my god, so basically, yeah, so do the end, then like, if you got like that much, you just put another bit of tin foil over, and if you can't like stick it in, just tuck it in somewhere, it will work, trust me. And then got yourself a bin for your wrestlers, a bin for your wrestlers. It's able to stand up if you do it good enough at the bottom, but mine is basically put in. So yeah, the first way. Wait, let me show you. Let me just get my wrestlers. Oh, this is an unboxing. You can watch that on my YouTube video as well. So I can put the person head in, I can crush it, well you might need to make it a few times to crush it, so you can have like multiple ones. My friend's just spamming me on the PlayStation, so, because this is a different way, because it's much harder. So, you need a fruit shoot or a bottle, anything like that. So you cut it in half. Ask your parents to do it. My dad did it. So yeah, cut it in half. Wash it out and all that. So then it's perfect. You don't really need this size. You can chuck that away. Dad just went on my bed. What like. So you need tin foil again, of course. And watching this video and you're not allowed to use scissors or any of that, then just just ask your parents to do it. That's what I used to do. So as you can see, that there's half of that still. So I cut that little bit off again, as you know. So I only need like this slightest bit. About this. I can't use all of this because my dad needs to cook with it. We'll put it over the chicken or whatever. Whatever my dad's doing tomorrow night. And I don't know. I just don't know. And like, as you probably know, fold it in just to be right. And you made just 2 of them. Tinfoil might come out, chuck that in the bin, whatever. So there is 2. But this one might be a little bit bigger than this one, because you might clear the wrong height or that like perfect height for you. But I just get that out of here because that's my old one. So these 2. Just made a new one, but I don't know why. So yeah, he can fit in that. What doesn't stand up, you put it in it. Even does that one. So like, if you want to see more of the video, like it, comment down below, and thank you for watching. Peace out.